This may seem nothing to you folks, but if you're on your affiliate marketing journey, you'll know the feeling. This is my Amazon Associates account, folks, and on the 24th of February, I made a commission here of $2.13 on an Apple AirTag that was sold. That's an affiliate marketer commission, folks. Yep, that sale is going through. Now, I thank that person very much. It's made a purchase of that Apple AirTag. I own the product myself. My children use it too. So I hope it brings you as much value and joy that I get from it, and my children do as well. And folks, for anyone that's on their affiliate marketing journey, regardless of the size of the commissions that come in, you know the feeling. If you've been working hard at this game for a while and something like that just comes in. I haven't been watching this account for a while, and I just thought I'd tip my hat to it this morning because I'm going live in my Facebook group tonight to talk about things like this, folks. And this was a simple process to set this affiliate marketing account set up, you know, with Amazon Associates. And this date is also important, folks, because I started my affiliate marketing course about 4 or 5 days before this, and I was hammering content. I was working hard at putting content out, and someone has obviously stumbled across my account because of the content. They've seen that's a product I market, you know, and they've trusted in me to go and purchase that through my link, and I've made that commission. So I leave this one with you, folks. Again, if you're free tonight, UTC +8, 1900 hours, Perth, Western Australia time. I'll be happy to have you in the group and on the live, and I'll answer any questions you've got. So I'll leave this one with you and wish you all the best. Take care and good luck.